theories that 5 pieces of evidence which prove the Earth's moon was engineered. The Apollo lunar missions were indeed helpful to the collection of data for Earth's moon. However, the moon still fascinates so many people, and in fact, there are few irregularities that point out to the fact that this base body might have been engineered. Many people and researchers strongly believe the Earth's moon is engineered, hardware part with a 3-mile thick external coat of dust and rocks. And down below this coat, they further believe the moon has a 20 miles thick shell produced out of repellent materials like titanium, uranium-236, and mica. Robert Brett, a NASA scientist, said, "It seems easier to explain the non-existence of the moon than its existence." Do you believe the moon is an enormous hollow base? Here are 5 anomalies that suggest that is so. 1. The Earth's moon appears to be engineered. Back in 1969, NASA crashed a lunar capsule on purpose. This resulted in a force identical to 1 ton of TNT on the moon's surface. When the crash waves eventually amplified, NASA scientists started listening carefully what was actually going on. Curiously, the only thing they heard was a sound that resembled a bell, which was echoing for about 30 minutes. Ken Johnson, a supervisor of the Data and Photo Control Department, described how the moon not only reverberated like a bell, but it wobbled in such a specific manner that it was almost as though it had gigantic hydraulic damper struts inside it. Number 2, there are materials on the moon that basically should not be there. A very intriguing article published by Mikhail Vasin and Alexander Sherbakov called "Is the Moon the Creation of Alien Intelligence?" openly poses questions regarding our second topic. Namely, how is it possible for the moon to carry minerals like titanium? Moreover, scientists have discovered moon rocks which contain concocted metals such as brass, uranium-236, and neptunium-237. These are materials that can never emerge in a natural way, so how on earth do these materials happen to come to the moon's surface? Number 3, Earth's moon does not have a firm core like other planetary bodies do. So many researchers are more and more convinced every day that the moon, in fact, is a hollow interior. Why? Because the moon's density of mass is positioned at an area just beneath the surface. Number 4, the moon is older than the Earth. There are so many weird things in our universe, yet nothing can compare to our moon. According to the researchers, the moon is 4.6 billion years old. On the other hand, our Earth is around 800,000 years old. This is a point which indeed raises a lot of dilemmas. Number 5, the moon has a perfectly circular orbit. Earth's moon is the only moon in our solar system which has an almost flawlessly round orbit. To put it differently, our moon is not comparable with the other moons. It's quite unique, actually. Moreover, from any location on our planet, only one side of the moon is noticeable. Not the dark side, the far side, only one side. That's weird enough. And this is on Soul Ask. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.